everyone, what's up? I'm back with a new video. I wanted to do like a winter related makeup look or something because I know that Colourpop sent me a whole new palette, so I wanted to go ahead and try that out for today. I want to include some Korean products that I have here, but I'll be doing a full face of Korean makeup really soon. I have a black-owned company that's located in Korea that is sending me like actual cushions to use in my video, so I'm gonna wait on that to do a full face. But just for today, I'm gonna introduce a few for the video. Got this Touch in Seoul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. I've used this before, but honestly, now that my skin is a lot drier in the winter, I think that I'm really gonna appreciate how this looks on me. Because even with someone that has oily skin like myself, I've had like weirdly oily, dry skin lately. And I've been really focusing on moisturizing my face and everything and just my skin, making sure that it stays hydrated, because dang, like this winter has really got me feeling that type of way. So tomorrow, LA is gonna be in full lockdown. I'm filming this on Sunday, so whenever I upload this, we're gonna be in full lockdown. I was expecting that, and they said if it gets worse, like we're gonna probably go back to how it was before, where like the retail stores are gonna be closed again and all that. So I was honestly hoping for that sooner so that things could just be more under control. For primer, I wanna use the VDL Lumalayer Primer. But anyways, I also posted on my stories about the zodiac thing, because I've been talking more about that lately in my video. And one of you guys had suggested that someone read my chart on camera, and so I do have a friend. We can probably do like a video where I do my makeup and stuff and she can read my chart for me. I also laid out my chart on my Instagram, so if you guys haven't seen that yet, I'll probably post it on the screen somewhere here, or maybe a link to my chart. And I told you guys to comment on it so I can put you guys in the video. So actually, I'll probably put this on my channel discussion board, and y'all will have to either roast me or just comment what you feel like my personality is like. Obviously, like you guys know me to some extent, so you're gonna know some things about me, but this will probably give you a little bit of a deeper look into how I am personality-wise. So I'm gonna be using the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Foundation, because I need the hydration right now on my face. Like, it is crucial. It's weird because like mostly I've been using serum tints or cushions, so I haven't really been using foundations for a minute now. I mean, this is not a really thick foundation anyway, so. Also, I got this backdrop today from Joann's Fabric. As a pro tip, if you're looking for a backdrop and you don't want to spend like $30 to $50 or more on a paper backdrop from like BH Photo, just get one from Joann's Fabric. I got 2 yards. I got this for $22 for today, which was not that expensive at all. Like, but you have to make sure that it's like a creaseless fabric. So what I do is I just go in and I stretch it to see if it's super stretchy. And if it is, and I like the color, I just go ahead and buy that. And if it's not stretchy, it can get a lot of creases, a lot of folds, and even if you iron it, you can still see it in video. So I just suggest getting something that is just really stretchy. Those are probably gonna be a lot more expensive at Joann's Fabric, whereas usually I would get something for like maybe $4 to $7 a yard. But yeah, anyone that's looking for more affordable backdrops, just go to a fabric store and find a stretchy fabric. Oh yeah, okay, so Thanksgiving was really chill. Kevin had to work on Thanksgiving, so we just did a really chill like tender greens dinner and stuff, which was really cool. And then also on actual Thanksgiving Day, my neighbor just brought Thanksgiving dinner to the apartment, so had that, and that was really good. But yeah, oh, now I'm gonna be going in with my XX Revolution concealer. Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Oh my god, you guys, and also I didn't realize I had a few Trump supporters that were subscribed to me, because the most I talked about him was him being an orange man, which he is. I assume that when you subscribe to this channel, you know that I wouldn't be a Trump supporter. Like, I'm pretty vocal about certain issues. I think one talked about me not loving God because I like astrology, and then like another one called me out for saying that I'm talking badly about Republicans, and another one was saying that like that Republicans are doing damage, or sorry, that Democrats are doing damage to society and things of that nature. I'm just like, okay, like You don't have to be subscribed to this channel or watch me. Like, you should know by now that I just don't support any of that mess. You should know by now. Like, or if they're new subscribers, I understand, but at least they know now because I'm not. Yeah, I'm just blending this out. What I need to do is show you guys my new setup and stuff for filming, because I think that this is way better than what I showed you guys in my last video. I think I showed you guys in the vlog of how I do my whole setup and stuff and how I was using those IKEA lights, but it's been helping everything look more soft recently. And then I'm also using a filter too on my lens now that diffuses the light because it was just so harsh. Maybe I haven't been getting enough sleep or anything, but my eyes are looking a little bit crazy. So I'm just gonna go in with this concealer. This is from Makeup Obsessions, their Mega Conceal. I've been using these for so long now, but I like to use this one as like a secondary one to brighten things up, and it also has caffeine in it, so that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, okay, so for Black Friday, I did a ton of shopping. I wanted to do a couple of fashion videos or just like one big fashion haul for my channel. Like, I shopped at ASOS, I shopped at Zara, and I got some really cool pieces, and I also threw away a bunch of stuff from my closet because I'm just not using that stuff anymore. There's no point in keeping it, and I just felt like it had to get rid of, so got rid of that. But I bought some really cool things for a video that I want to come out really soon. But a lot of the stuff was from the Pretty Little Things shapewear collection, or shape collection, so it's made for people that have like bigger thighs and a smaller waist. Really hard to find like joggers especially that fit my waist, because they'll make the rest of the joggers super like baggy, and then the waist will be so big for me. Even if it has like a drawstring, it still looks really bulky on me. So this is made specifically for people that just have a smaller waist and bigger thighs and bigger hips and stuff like that. Don't know if I want to do a separate one on the Pretty Little Things shape collection, or just do like the whole Black Friday collective haul, because I do have other stuff from like ASOS and Zara. So I might just do everything in one and just kind of put it in the title. And I also shopped with a Black-owned company. I got their compression leggings from them, and I really cannot wait to wear that with a bunch of my winter clothes this year, because they look like they fit really nice, and I really wanted something flattering, and I cannot wait. So yeah. Okay, I'm just using the Laura Mercier medium deep powder. No matter what I do, I can't let go. Oh, I'm so glad that my face is clearing up, you guys. I literally hate it, and I know that my period's gonna be back again like real soon. I took a long time off of making videos because my face was just going through it. Yeah, I think more than ever my skin just hates winter, and I've noticed that like big time recently. It just doesn't like it. So the base doesn't look too bad. I'm going to use the Super Stay Full Coverage 16-Hour Powder Foundation. It's also really crazy to me that the year is pretty much over, and I'm really curious. It's almost like the waiting game for me now. I'm just really curious to see what's gonna happen in January, and where this, like what the state of the world is gonna be, I mean, in. So I think it's their Wow Brow mascara. Okay, so I have my Collidos Charisma Contour Palette. Yeah, so I've been extremely inactive. Well, not extremely inactive on my Instagram, but more so inactive than usual. After Joshua Tree, I just felt like kind of exhausted. But I think now I'm ready to really get back into things. Like, I want to just do more makeup looks for you guys, like more specific ones. I always do the same one, or like the same type of look, so I want to do something a bit different, especially now that I have this whole new palette by Colourpop. There's like so many colors in here that I want to try out, variations and stuff.
Tonight, staring at the ceiling like a restless child. Cause you're running around telling all these lies. You're telling all these lies, boy. You said you needed space, but you're out right now, drinking with your friends, having a good time. But when you're feeling lonely, you come back around. You come back around.
Okay, so now I'm gonna be going into my lips using this by Morphe. Let's go over the whole thing. Like, I always do this step all the time. Also, I don't know if you guys let me know in my next video where I actually do a video on this hair, should I just leave it in a middle part or should I do like sparse bangs? Maybe I'll just end up leaving it. I've got my VDL lipstick in 02 Peachy Beach. This smells good too. Wow, everything smells so good. Bottom lip isn't defined. But yeah, on the inner corner, I want to do my Fenty Beauty lipstick. I end up leaving like, yeah, 2 bangs in the front. Then my trusty blush. This is by Black Radiance. I need to look for an actual black beauty brand that has blushes. I mean, I might look into Mented Cosmetics because I really like how their lipsticks look, in my opinion, but I just haven't tried out any of their stuff yet. So I may look into that a little bit there. Now I'm not gonna do heavy highlighter today. I'm gonna try my best to not do too much because I almost forgot, guys, in this or XX Revolution, this stuff is really good and it's super shiny, and so we're gonna try that for today. Just gonna do like a soft amount. You know what's funny? I had a highlighter from Stylenanda or 3CE recently, which I might get a new one from them for my video, but I don't even know where I put that. I feel like it broke on me. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I think my highlighter is looking pretty good. I always use these same hair clips in my hair, but we're gonna use it again because I haven't bought any new accessories for myself recently, so we're gonna do that. Okay, so I ended up adding this Take a Layer, I think it's just like a lip pot from 3CE. It's in Primula, and this is just like a nice like dark red color. I do my final touch by adding in my lashes really quick. Okay, so just having like the ends, this is like the leftover lashes, but I like to just do half the lash because it gives me that cat eye look, and I already kind of have long lashes, and this just makes it like just a little bit less dramatic for me, and I tend to just leave it at that. I think that's it for this look. Yeah, I wanted to do something really cute and fall-like for you guys for today, and I thought this would be the best look for that. I also wanted to take a break, obviously, in hair videos and stuff, and I don't know if I was just talking about random stuff in this video, but I didn't have a specific topic to really talk about, and I just felt like doing my makeup. So yeah, I hope that you guys liked it. I want to do more makeup videos in the future and obviously have something more specific to talk about. I'm gonna go ahead and take some shots for Instagram right now. I hope that you guys liked this winter/fall look, and yeah. All right, guys, bye.